Going to be replacing this PCV valve here while I have good access to it. And now's a good time to change it out. I'm sure it's probably due. So I've got a new one here. Pull the old one out with some pliers. And it does look, it doesn't rattle. It's usually a sign right there. You can hear this one. This one's free and rattling. This one's clogged up and not free. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of Vaseline on here, just to help it go down into grommet. And there you go. Got the new PVC, and definitely, or the PCV, definitely needed it. This one was clogged up and no longer, this one here was no longer functional. We've got a new one in place now.